Hey there, it's Alan here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is for all the creators out there who are looking to streamline their content creation process and make the most of the new YouTube Shorts feature, YouTube Shorts automation. With the rise of YouTube Shorts also comes the need for a lot of content, and if you're like me, you might be wondering how you can possibly keep up with the demand for new shorts while still maintaining your other responsibilities. Well, one solution that some creators have found success with is hiring a team or using freelancers to help manage the creation and distribution of their content. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Alan, hiring a team or using freelancers sounds great, but it's too expensive. And I get it. Hiring a team or using freelancers can be expensive, but it's important to remember that your time is valuable as well. By hiring a team or using freelancers to help manage the creation and distribution of your YouTube Shorts, you can free up time to focus on other important tasks, like building your brand and engaging with your audience. So if you're ready to give YouTube Shorts automation a try, here are a few steps to get you started. Number 1. Determine what tasks you need help with. Take inventory of all the tasks involved in creating and distributing your YouTube Shorts and see where you might be able to delegate some of those tasks to a team or freelancers. Number 2. Create a budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on hiring a team or using freelancers. It's important to be realistic about what you can afford and not overextend yourself financially. Number 3. Consider collaborating. If you're unable to afford a full-time team of freelancers, consider reaching out to other creators or industry professionals to see if they're interested in collaborating. This can be a great way to get started with YouTube Shorts automation on a smaller scale. Number 4. Communicate clearly. Once you've assembled your team or hired freelancers, be sure to communicate clearly and establish clear roles and responsibilities to ensure that everything runs smoothly. Now you might be wondering, Alan, why should I automate my YouTube Shorts over my other content? There are a few reasons why automating your YouTube Shorts might be a good idea. Number 1. They're shorter. One of the biggest advantages of YouTube Shorts is that they're shorter than traditional videos. This means you can create more content in less time, making it a more efficient use of your resources. Number 2. They're more shareable. YouTube Shorts are designed to be shared on social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter, making them more likely to go viral and reach a wider audience. Number 3. They're more engaged. Number 3. They're more engaged. Number 3. They're more engaging. YouTube Shorts are set to music, which makes them more fun and engaging for viewers. This can help boost your channel's engagement and keep your audience coming back for more. So in conclusion, YouTube Shorts automation is a great solution for creators who are looking to streamline the content creation process and make the most of the new YouTube Shorts feature. Just be sure to determine what tasks you need help with, create a budget, and communicate clearly with your team or freelancers. And if you're still on the fence about whether or not YouTube Shorts automation is right for you, consider the benefits we discussed earlier: shorter content creation time, increased shareability, and higher engagement. Ultimately, the decision to automate your YouTube Shorts is up to you. Just remember to weigh the pros and cons and make the decision that's best for your channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more great content.